Hello crafty friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia and today we'll make a window pop-up card. Let's start with a card base measuring 5 by 7 inches. For the card front, I have a piece of pattern paper with 4 3/4, 6 by 3/4 inches. For a place to write the message, I use solid cardstock in a matching pastel color in the back. Now let's work on the front frame. I fussy cut this frame for my pattern paper pad. It measures approximately 4 by 6 inches. Since I have some acetate on hand, I put some on the back of the frame. This provides some change in visual and texture to the card. I think if you have some wood grain pattern paper, the frame would be a perfect place to use that. To create some coherence between the background and the frame, I'll pop in some fussy cut florals from the same paper pad. Because my frame by itself will look like it floats in the middle of the card, when I put the flowers on, I will align them to the bottom side of the card. For the pop-up mechanisms, we'll also align them to the bottom side of the card. This has two purposes. One, it provides more stability to our card. And two, it allows us to see the pattern paper unobstructed, making the card look even more airy and light. I add in some more fussy cut florals in the back and some rhinestones as the final touches. This card works great in both portrait and landscape compositions. I hope you give this card a try. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos.